Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change display theme on Bandlab on PC. Bandlab is a browser-based music creation platform that lets you record, edit and produce music directly from your PC. The interface is clean and modern, but many users want to personalize the experience specially by changing the display theme. First, open any of the web browser that you prefer. And in the top, there's an address bar. Type down bandlab.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of a Bandlab, what you can do is in the top right corner, we can find your profile icon. You need to go to your profile icon here. And under this profile icon, we can find to this setting just above the logout. Click onto this setting here. And once you get into this interface of the setting, in the left hand side, we can find a lot of icons. You need to scroll a bit down until you find to this appearance here. And under the appearance, click onto this. Under this appearance, we can also find this theme. Click onto this theme and select to the system. Over here, you can select either system, light or the dark. And if you prefer a light theme or the dark theme, you can simply select the theme and it will automatically detect the theme appearance. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.